this does not look like 0% chance of rain. This feels more like 5%.
This doesn't feel like a 0.
Feels like 5.5% chances of rains.
Yeah, this definitely doesn't feel like a 0.
I think that these hot days just make clouds appear. Holy crap, hold on. Kanan, let's throw the top over top. Ah! Alright. You gotta unlock right there. Look, unlock this. Push down a little bit, unlock. And then it's just to these two up here. That'll keep it off our heads. I don't think this is gonna last very long here. Alright.
Noise.
I can't.
Push down on this first, like that part, and then pull up. Yeah. Alright. I think we're just in the edge of it.